some flour, and I'll need some sugar too. I'm measuring the ingredients out just like the grown-ups do. 1, 2 eggs. I'm mixing to the batter. Add the butter to the batter. Which butter tastes better? Does it really matter? Hey, I've got some bananas. I'll mash them in as well. Everything's so squishy, wet and dripping. Can you tell? Yum, yum, we're almost done. Just a few more steps to take. Put a dollop in place in each cupcake case, and they're ready to bake. While a grown-up cooks them, I'll run outside to play. But before I go, I better lick the bowl. It tastes so yummy, yeah! I can't wait, they smell so great. Time to ice them with sprinkles too. So easy to make, and they're freshly baked. Delicious cupcakes for me and you.
Make it work, make it easy, make it clever, craft it into pieces, make it sweet, crimp the edges, or make it sour and serve with lemon wedges. Even doubt can be delicious, and it washes off of all the dirty dishes. When it's done, I can smile. It's on someone else's plate for a while. I'll place it on display. Then I'll slice and serve my worries away. I can fix this, I can twist it into sugar, butter, covered pieces. Never mind what's underneath it. I have done it before. I'll bake a meatball to help me get through. I learned it from you, Mama. It's amazing.